From sketch to flight, this is the Tandem high-altitude airship, 2 balloons on a stick at the edge of space. Tandem uses the same carbon fiber truss that we use on our Ascender airship. It only weighs 19 pounds per 100 feet. Tandem was launched from all-wind balloon bags at the Black Rock Desert in Nevada. We've launched balloons in 45-mile-per-hour winds with this system. Tandem had some extreme turbulence on the way up, but it soared through. It flew to 95,000 feet. This airship was driven by 2 carbon fiber propellers designed to operate at 100,000 feet, a place where every single molecule of air needs to count. We are now working on propeller phase 2 that will drive the Tandem at altitudes up to 140,000 feet. Vents on the balloons can release the helium to hold altitude. However, on this flight, we ran it all the way to burst to see how high it would go. Tandem is a testbed for new edge-of-space airship technologies. It is a cargo lifter, a research platform, and a first-stage mothership. Tandem will also be used to help construct the Dark Sky Station floating platform. The pressure environment at 100,000 feet above the Earth is the same as the surface of Mars. This makes Mars a great second home for the Tandem airship. Venus is also a great place to float. Tandem is a whole class of airships with micro-tandem, standard, and super tandem. They are workhorse vehicles for the development of the upper atmosphere. JP Aerospace, America's other space program.